Good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec here 2020 English Objective Pass question. Question number 3. The instruction here says that we should look out for the word or the option that is most nearly opposite in meaning to the underlined word in the statement or the expression, and the underlined word here is pronounced as raw. Now let us listen to the statement. The statement says the commander said that raw recruits could not dislodge the enemies. He needed dash men. Raw recruit. I want to talk of raw. Raw means unprocessed. Or is also synonymous to unskilled. So option A says skilled, practical. Option A says skilled. Option B says practical. Option C says learned. Option D says seasoned. So we are not talking of season. So season cannot be a direct or name opposite to the word raw. So it cannot be. Then learn, because we are not talking of illiteracy. So learn cannot be the opposite of raw. Then practical, we are not talking of theory. Theory is opposite to practical. Then skilled is opposite to unskilled. And raw is synonymous to unskilled. Therefore option A is correct. So the statement will be the commander said that raw recruitment could not dislodge the enemies. He needed skilled men. So skilled men can dislodge the enemy. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure you subscribe for more videos.